Hello everyone, here I am with another strategy. Well, this indicator has been used several times, but the financial markets hasn't used it much. Let's give it a try. Remember, the financial markets move with the price action, that sometimes it's better to wait for the confirmation. To wait for the entry points based on the bottom, while the indicators can tell me the other entry at certain points. But I have to understand or know what point to enter. If it's too low or too high, that risk is good for 1 minute. That would be the strategy. I'm applying it for 1 minute. Let's try to do that on this right cash candle and 30 seconds again. Okay, when the price rejects the zone, I enter on the upside. That is the part. Red, or if it breaks inside low, that it would be the characteristics are what's happening here. If they reject a support, look, it doesn't happen. Doesn't happen here. It's to start here in this reaction again, which could mean an upward movement. It's reaching that line. Yes, but ranging that, and the point will be the intermediate here at the first position. Okay, the price rejects the support, and look at that. I'm going to enter on the 1 minute. I then find my operate zone, that is clear range. I'm going to wait until it can enter lower, right? Look at that. But right here, guys, if I want to enter a reaction, I have to wait and see what forms so I can enter on the upside. The guys are good just like the Bollinger Bands, just like the alligators in range and didn't find the entry point. It's very possible to wait for the point and wait for the wording. It's that simple to apply entry financial markets on that is respect to me. Okay, the price action. Sure, if you look here, there's a lot of rejection, but anymore. But no anymore. The prices fall again. Look at this. And got our first one, guys. That's a good win for us. Okay. I'm going to enter again, right? $63 on that. Let's see what's happened. And I have to wait for that. That's point and it gives me the win. First position 1. I will repeat the configuration again. But now let's change that. Okay. 2, 3, 5 period, and we are ready for that. Let's see that. Okay, pretty good. M5. Look at that, guys. That's a revert, and that's inside of the zone. That's pretty good. You have to take that into account, guys. The financial market assignment today, it's very active. Okay. The opening of the New York session could cause volatility, and analysis are taken into account could be invalidated based on the fact that opening there could be very rapid movement in direction that's being explained. Okay, I'm going to look for a second entry. Same criteria are to see if I look for a range or not. If I get to take the range, if there is a trend. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Then I wait in the trend. I'm going to wait and when I get it, I take it, and look at that. I waited, guys, while the chaos, the Fractal Chaos is with the zone left. The price is trying to break through theirs and didn't. And well, it's forming. I think that I entered the second red candle. Well, I think the entry a little higher, but anyway, I'm still there. 1 minute trend when the price hasn't done anything good for me yet. The trend isn't that bullish right now either, so it's possible that I have the opportunity. Let's see what's happening with that. Okay, the fact that I entered late, but I entered a little late, so let's wait and see how it's turning out. Okay, in the second position of financial market. Important, guys, it's not just closing up in your entry on the rise. No, if it's close very close, I don't consider it a breakout, but headers should wait again for the most, because those are traps, fake situations that markets can generate. Well, it might be wrong, it might be breaking that. And look at that, we win on that, guys. $118 on Euro CF. Okay? All right, it's not here to support where the price has reacted other times. And could be that it's coming back here, make a higher low. What rebounds? The second position is important, guys. Let's do that right now. $118 for that. 30 seconds again, 1 minute of expiration times. Everything is the same for the previous one. Okay. Just given the amount, I think that's enough, and that would be enough for me. It could be an outpour on that, so here. Let's see that. That's another downtrend. You can see the creature on that, guys. GBP AUD. It's break channel quick in 30 seconds, but if they're holding bullish because entered on the downside. Well, it's break the channel strongly, guys. Look at that. You can see that M1. That's a huge one. Okay. If the M1 channel is very close to here, I wouldn't enter. But look, I have vertically a large downward space for the price continue falling. We have a space between the line. I don't see that the movement has been falling for a while. The price hasn't lowered down. I have a continuation for the movement and have a space on down here. If the M1 charts were very close to this point, I wouldn't enter. Okay. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. That's why I entered, because I saw the very low. You can see that it's in 30 seconds, 1 minute to get the entry. Okay, and look at that, guys. 2 seconds, one, and you got position one and got an entry hit quickly. Don't look, I have another one on that. $215 on that and 16 on the total. Okay, that's pretty good, guys. I mean, I already got it. 3 position, that's good because I raised my account 24 to 216. And that's what I have to look for every day. Can you use the internet? Sure, it's going to deport everything. It depends on the capital I have. In my case, I already have more capital. It's good to say, and I'm going to start with a specific amount of $30. I'm going to try to do the third level compound interest that I gain through position. I put what I'm learning the risk, and that's third one withdrawal, and I would come back tomorrow with the profits. I start with 30, and if I lose, nothing happens. Just stay put and come back tomorrow. That will be the foreman trading plan. The risk management would be acceptable because it would be no. The risk can reduce in the beside what's the earning day. You would lose in the 6 or to 7 days. If you like this video, guys, please give it a like. I will share with your friends, subscribe, stay on the YouTube notifications. There's more videos, okay? So a lot of information that can be useful for you. So see you soon on the channels, guys. Love our broadcast every day morning to Friday in the morning on that. Have a great day, guys. Good profits, and see you. Bye-bye.